Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our ZL02 smartwatch, a circular smartwatch with a minimalist design and loaded with features. One of its main features is the push and call notification. So it has a support for call and push notifications. Please take note that we don't have a support here for the Bluetooth call, but you can receive at least a call notifications as well as a push or app SMS notification. So we are going to check on that and see if it works with its support app, the DAFIT application. So we have here the DAFIT app. We already paired it with the DAFIT app. We're going to activate later on the notifications here. As you can see, it's still disabled. So we'll see if it works okay when it comes to call and message notifications. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. So we have here our ZL02D smartwatch. And as you can see here, we have notifications. Others here, we have time format. Let's see. We have a call notifications here. Option. So we have reminder. Seems like we don't have. But anyway, we'll try if it works or not with the ZL02. So notifications, tap on this one. We have phone. I guess this is the call notifications. Allow DAFIT to access your contacts. So just allow it. And make and manage phone calls. So we have here the call notifications. Messages. We also have it here. Okay, so let's activate this one. Does it work? Okay. Allow DAFIT to send and view SMS messages. Allow it. And we'll pick some apps here. But we still have to enable push notification permission. So enable. Then look for the DAFIT app. Notification access. Activate. Allow. Okay, we have it here. Then let's activate some apps here that we are going to use. Instagram. We do have other apps here. Okay, so these apps. Okay, then let's go to our smartwatch and let's see if we can receive some notifications. As you can see here, we don't have any messages. Let's get our other phone and let's send a message. Okay, so let's start. We have here our other phone. So let's try to send a message. We have here Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Let's try with this one. We have the Instagram. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, so let's send a message. Let's see. Let's say hello. Hello, ZL02. Let's send a message. Let's see if we can receive a message here. Message sent. Nope, we did not receive any messages, I think. Did we receive a message? Yep. It's a bit late, but it seems like we have it here. Okay. So hello ZL02. Again. It's just late, but at least we receive a message from Instagram. The screen is not popping up or activating when we receive a message. QR code, let's see. Brightness, menu view. Seems like we don't have an option here. The screen is not that responsive so far. Okay. Vibration reset, power off. And we don't have an option. Let's see here. I want the screen to turn on to activate when we receive a message. Okay. So seems like our smartwatch is still in a lock mode when we receive a message. Control, scene mode, battery saving, reminders to move. Okay, so we don't have a setup or format or settings for this. So we don't have it here. Notifications, no, none. Okay, I guess you really have to activate. But we can feel that there's a someone or there's a message, because I can feel that I can feel the smartwatch vibrating when someone is sending a message. Okay, but there's no option for the light up screen when there's a message. Anyway, let's go with the Telegram. Okay, let's send a message also. Hello, ZL02. Message sent. Okay, there's a bit of delay on the messages. Let's see if we receive a message here on our Telegram account. Yep, we already have here. Hello, ZL02. But let's see. Again, the screen did not light up, but we felt a vibration and we have it here. Okay, there's a bit of delay, I guess. How about this one? Maybe it's on the Daffit app and the smartwatch. Hello, ZL02. Message sent. Okay. Oh yes, that's it. Okay. How about for calls? Let's see if we can receive a call notification. Someone's calling. Yes, we do have it here, as you can see. And call. Go back. Let's try this one. It's a popular application. Hello, ZL02. Message sent. And we have it here. Okay, this is a different message. Where is our message? Okay. Okay, we have it here. Then let's try to call. Ringing, ringing. Okay, incoming voice call. Nice. Then Messenger. Seems like every application here works. There's a bit of delay for some, but so far it is good as we can receive a message. This one, let's see. And we have it here. Okay, with the time and the message and the name of the sender. Okay. How about the call? Someone's calling. When we end the call, yes, we receive a missed call. Okay, so it works so far with Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, and Messenger. How about here for the call? So let's call the number. Let's see if we can receive a Bluetooth call here or just call notification. Dialing. Okay, so we have here a call, incoming call. Okay, and so just a call notifications with the option for blocking calls. Okay, again, let's explore. Maybe we just missed it. Breathing guide, game settings, none. We don't have this option here. Okay, Then next, SMS. Let's try to send an SMS. Then okay, so let's send a message. Hello, ZL02. Message sent. Yes, we have it here. Okay, so we can also receive SMS messages on the ZL02 smartwatch. Again, hello with a smiley. Let's see if these emoticons work. Message sent. None. Now we have it here. Emoji. Okay, it did not work, but there's an emoji here. Okay, our previous messages, we have it here. Yes, you can store several messages on the smartwatch. How many? We have 1, 2, 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5 messages. Then again, let's try this one, the Telegram. There's a delay earlier, so let's see if the network is also already good. Yes. Okay, it's now okay. How about this one? Hello. Yes, it works. Okay, so that's it for the push notifications for the ZL02 smartwatch as well as the call notifications. Please take note, there's no support for the Bluetooth phone call, only call notifications. So that's it. If you have any questions regarding the push notifications for the ZL02 smartwatch and the call notifications, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your question if we do have that time. Bye.